Hello dear students, good morning. I Gayatri Kumari welcome you all in mathematics class. Let's continue the same lesson, that is chapter number 4, parts and wholes. That is we will be studying fraction, right? Ramu's vegetable field, page number 58. So children, open page number 58. Ramu, a boy, has a big vegetable field. He grows crops in that field. He has made a 9 equal parts of his field. Look at here children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So he has made 9 equal parts of his field as shown in the figure. Children, from this figure, can you tell me what vegetable does Ramu grow? So children, I have drawn this figure in notebook. So let's see. Look at here children. Here I have drawn vegetable field and it is divided into 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So here is given some questions based on this figure. So first, what vegetables does Ramu grow? So children, here you can see different type of vegetable. So we will write answer. Ramu grows chili, potato, brinjal, tomato and spinach. Okay, that's why I have written here answer. Ramu grows chilies, potatoes, brinjal, tomatoes and spinach. Next question. Which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field and what part? Children, you can see here there are total 9 parts. So which vegetable grows in the biggest part? So here you can see chili grown only 1 part out of 9 parts. Then potato also you can see only 1 and 2. Brinjal 1 and 2. So if you see tomato 1, 2, 3. So we can say that tomatoes grow in the biggest part of his field. So how many parts tomatoes covered in the field? 1, 2, 3. So we can say 3 out of 9. 9 part. Total parts are 9. So part is 3 upon 9. So here I have written answer. Tomatoes grow in the biggest part of his field. Then Ramu grows tomato in how many parts? 3 parts out of 9. That's why I have written here 3 upon 9 parts. If you cut this number 3 by 9, if you will read the table of 3, 3 threes are 9. So you will get 1/3 part. Okay. Here is written 3 part out of 9. So we can say 1/3 part of his field. Okay. So Ramu grows tomato in 1/3 part of his field. Right? Let's see the next question. Question number 2. On what part of the field does he grow potatoes? So we have to see here potatoes. Children, can you tell me how many parts he used to grow potato? 1 and 2 parts he used to grow potato out of 9 parts. Okay. So what will be answer? He grows potatoes on 2/9 part of the field. Okay. Question number 3. What part of the field is used to grow spinach? What part is used for brinjals? Children, look at the figure. We have to see here how many parts, that means what parts Ramu used to grow spinach. So can you tell me? Ramu used only one part out of 9 part used for spinach, grow for spinach. So here what we write? Part of the field used to grow spinach is equal to 1 upon 9. Okay. Then another question. Part of the field used to grow brinjals. So again we count. How many parts, children? Can you tell me? 1 and 2 parts out of 9 parts. So we will write in fraction form 2 upon 9 parts. So we can say part of the field used to grow brinjal to 9th. That means 2 upon 9. Question 4. Now children, it is your turn to frame questions. Okay. On your own based on the given figure. That means you have to make questions according to this figure. Okay. So for everyone these questions might be different. Okay. I have also framed 2 questions here. So first one is, on what part of the field does he grow chilies? This way we can make questions. Okay. The next question is, which 2 vegetables are grown on equal parts of the field? This way also you can frame the questions. So there are so many questions that you can make. Okay. So here I have to make only 2 questions. So I have written here. So it is not necessary, children, that same question you will write in your notebook. You can frame questions on your own. Okay. So children, can you tell me what will be answer of the first question? Again we read, on what part of the field does he grow chilies? So where is chili? Chili is here. So what will be answer? He grows only 1/9 part. That means 1 upon 9th part grow for chili. So here we will write 1/9 part only. Okay. Now next question is, which 2 vegetables are grown on equal parts of the field? So children, very easy question. So which 2 vegetables? First you can see potatoes and other one is brinjal. So we can write the name here. Potatoes and brinjals are grown on equal parts of the field. Okay. So children, this way you can write answer with questions. Okay. All questions answer, please you will write in your notebook. Also you can draw this figure. Children, if you are not able to draw figure, you can write the name. Okay. But try to draw figure. Okay. Thank you.